Good evening. I am Learn AI with Musa, and this is NMT News. Our top story tonight centers on a fresh clash over President Bola Tinubu's new ambassadorial nominees. The president has sent a new list of 32 envoys to the Senate, his first major diplomatic appointment in 2 years. The move has sparked strong reactions from opposition parties who accuse the government of turning diplomatic postings into political reward. The PDP, ADC, and NNPP criticized the list, calling it biased and lacking transparency. They described the nomination of former INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu as scandalous and politically motivated. But the All Progressives Congress dismissed the allegations, saying the complaints are baseless and mischievous. This debate comes after a 2-year diplomatic vacuum following Tinubu's recall of all envoys in 2023. Since then, Nigeria's 109 foreign missions have operated without substantive ambassadors. The new list, released in 2 batches and now totaling 35, is currently awaiting Senate confirmation. We'll keep following the developments. I'm Learn AI with Musa, and this is NMT News. Stay tuned for more updates. Did you know you can create a full TV news broadcast from scratch using just AI? No camera crew, no studio, nothing. Today on Learn AI with Musa, I'm showing you step by step how to generate a complete newsroom video like a real TV station. Build the presenter, the studio, the camera task, and even the full broadcast script, all with AI. If you've ever wanted to create pro-level videos without spending a kobo, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump straight in.
Now, the first thing we'll do is to head over to ChatGPT, and on ChatGPT, this is where I generate everything. Everything you see about that news, I generated everything about that video on ChatGPT. Now, when I come to ChatGPT, this is what I give to ChatGPT. So if you are coming across to this channel for the first time and you don't know about ChatGPT, you can go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, you go and download the app. Now, when you come to ChatGPT, this is what I give to ChatGPT here. I say, I want to create a newscast like a TV news broadcast. I have a guy, presenter, give me a prompt for the podcast. Make it a professional one. Now, as you can see, and ChatGPT gave me this news podcast prompt here. As you can see, this is the prompt I copy, which I use to generate my image. I'm going to show you how everything is done, so just watch this video to the end. Now, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. It said a professional studio news podcast featuring a confident male news hawker, and it set at a modern glass. You can read everything. I cannot be reading everything for you guys, and ChatGPT gave this to me. After ChatGPT gave me this, I write to ChatGPT again. I say, write me the full podcast on how the camera should be, because I am using AI to generate all the video scene, and it is 1 minute video of 6 seconds for each video scene, and this is the news. I want the presenter too. So before I get my news, that news you see it was saying, I have to go to my browser. Now let me show you how I get those news. I came to my browser. Sorry, let me take it back. Now I came to my browser here on Google, and I searched Nigeria News Today. And after I searched Nigeria News Today, they brought it to me like this. Now this is the first one I click. This Punch newspaper, then I click on it, and when I click on it, it gives me this news. After it gives me this news, I touch on this first one here. As you can see, this first one. So I copy everything from here. I copy everything down. I copy it, and when I copy it, as you can see, this is what I give to ChatGPT here. As you can see, ambassador option here. You are going to see it here now. Now, as you can see, this is ambassador option, as you can see, just like the way it is on this website. Then I copied everything, and after I copied everything, I gave it to ChatGPT just the way it was on that news. Now, after I gave it to ChatGPT, I also stated it here. By the end of the prompt, I said the presenter name is Learn AI with Musa, and the news station is NMT News. Now, I give it to ChatGPT like that. And after all that, ChatGPT write everything for me. As you can see, say NMT News 1 minute podcast. So presenter, story, everything in 30 seconds. Now this is the first scene here. As you can see, this is the first scene, what the person will said and how the camera will rotate everything. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, and this is the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and the 10th. Everything, as you can see, this is how everything is. Now, I'm going to show you how I generated everything. just like ABCD. Now, the first thing I did was coming back here. This first prompt you are seeing here, this one you are seeing here, I copied it. Now, just click on select. I copy this prompt to create my image. That image you just see, the image of a video, the video, I just copy it. When I copy it, I go to Google Gemini. If you have been following me on this channel, I've been talking about Google Gemini, how you can use Google Gemini to generate your images. Now, I go to Google Gemini. Now, coming to Google Gemini here, as you can see, coming to Google Gemini, I upload my image. This is my image I uploaded. As you can see, this is the image here. Now, after uploading the image, I paste those prompts I copy from ChatGPT. This prompt you just see here, I copy the prompt and I added something before I paste the prompt. As you can see, I say use this upload image and create a professional studio news, just like ChatGPT said. He said a professional studio news podcast. So I copy everything and I paste it. Now, when I paste it, this is the image it generated for me. So after generating the image, I found out that it did not add the MMST news. So I add this there. As you can see, I say add MMST news at the top left corner of the image, place it. So I just need a professional design and I tell Google Gemini and I upload it again. And this is what it gave to me. It creates a professional image for me. This is how I want the image after prompting everything and it generated for me. You can use this first one, it's also okay, you can do it. So after Google Gemini gave me this, I saved the image to my phone. And after I saved the image to my phone, as you can see, after I saved the image to my phone, the next thing I did is to use Grok AI to generate my video. The entire scene, body, lip syncing, everything, I used Grok AI. Now, let me take you guys to Grok AI and set example for you guys. Now, this is Grok AI. If you don't know about Grok AI, you can go to Google Play Store. You can check out Grok AI. I've made video about that before. So, when you come to Grok AI, you register, you click on this imagine here. After you click on imagine, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to see where you are going to upload your image. Now, let's click on add. You click on photo library, then let's add our image. Now, this is our image. For example, this is the image I want to use. As you can see, this is the image I want to use. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT. Now, when I go back to ChatGPT, this is ChatGPT here. Now, I'll come back to the first scene here. The first scene it gave to me. This first scene, as you can see, this is the first scene. All I have to do is to tap on it. I will click on select text. Now, the first scene, I'll copy from the camera to the script, everything here. I'll copy everything. Then after I click on copy, I'll go back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Then I'll click on make a video. Then I'll click on customize. When I click on customize, then I'll paste the prompt here. Everything with what I want him to say. Everything. I'll paste it. ChatGPT have already did everything for us. How the camera is going to do everything. Then the next thing is to click on this arrow here. Now, when I click on it, you can see it will start generating the video. Now, as you can see, it will generate the video in less than 1 minute. Now, this is what I will be doing. After generating the first scene, as you can see, it will take less than 1 minute and it will generate the entire scene for us. Now, let's give it some minutes.
Good evening. I'm our top tonight centers. I'm focused on a fresh clash over Ambassador Dononi's.
Now, this is how it generates the video for us. As you can see, it generated everything for us. It generated the video for us. I don't want to be playing the sound right now so that it will not disturb you guys. Now, after you do the first thing, you come back to ChatGPT again. You come back to ChatGPT. You don't need to upload the image again, Seth. All you just have to do is just to copy the second prompt here again. You come back, you paste the second prompt here. When you paste the second prompt, it's going to generate everything for you. It's going to generate it. So this is how you are going to be doing it. You copy the prompt step by step. You copy it one by one and you paste it here and it's going to generate the entire video for you one by one. After it generates the entire video for you, the next thing you are going to do is to use any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, any of your editing tool, and you match the video together. Now, let me show you guys how I did mine. Now, this is my own. As you can see, I match all the video together. As you can see, I match all the video together. As you can see, just the way you see it, I match the video together. You add everything together. After you add everything together, now let me play the video so that you guys will see.
Good evening. I am Len AI with Musa, and this is NMT News. Our top story tonight centers on a fresh clash over President Bola Tinubu's new ambassadorial nominees. The president has sent a new list of 32 envoys to the Senate, his first major diplomatic appointment in 2 years. The move has sparked strong reactions from opposition parties who accuse the government of turning diplomatic postings into political reward. The PDP, ADC, and NNPP criticized the list, calling it biased and lacking transparency. They described the nomination of former INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu as scandalous and politically motivated.
Now, you guys have seen everything. So like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.